friends. We're on the floor today. Welcome back. Today I am attempting to build my indoor greenhouse that I just got. And I'm going to set it up down here in our basement. And this is kind of our, kind of like where I put all my canning, all our self-sufficiencies, like we have a bunch of food and a bunch of supplies, bunch of first aid stuff. We keep in this room, and this room is also where we will go for a tornado because it's in the basement, it's below ground, and it has no windows. So I thought it would be the perfect spot to build my indoor greenhouse. It is the second week of February, so it is a great time to start those indoor seeds. And I do not have an indoor greenhouse, so I got one this year. And I'm so excited to get seeds started because that means spring is coming. And I'm so ready, especially after the ice storm. So let's put this together, shall we? I'm going to plant in my new greenhouse here. So I lowered the lights a little bit because they should be like 2 to 3 inches from the top of my little containers. I don't know the name of those, but I need a little cup though. I don't have a cup in here. And then it came with a thermometer. It says 67 degrees right now, 65 to 70, I think. I wrote notes down because I've never used one of these before. So it's my first time. We're testing this out, friends. 39% humidity. I think it said, what's the humidity? Above soil. Yeah, it needs to be more than that. I didn't write that part down. It's fine. I need a little cup. So I've got all my seeds. I love this company, Organo Republic, because I've used them for a few years now, and I've never had a problem with the seeds growing, and it's good. So let's plant some stuff. So on my list, I'm gonna do, these are the ones. So I separated the ones I can do right now inside. And so these are the ones I can do. I've only have, let's see, let's move that for a minute. I actually think, I wish I had another shelf. Looks like I could do 2. I can do 2 containers per, so that's 6. I might have enough for this ginormous pile of seeds that I have. And I think I'll separate them into, there's lettuce. Let's do lettuce here. We'll do here's onion, chives. We'll do herbs in one. We'll do, here's some sage, rosemary, and then I have flowers, like edible flowers. And these are so cool. They all come as a pack. So here's that. Let's see. Flowers. I'm already growing a bunch of lavender for my soap. So I make soap also. So I do lavender soap. So I'm going to do some seeds of that. That's a veggie. Cress, I put that under veggies. These, hyssop is edible. Thyme, sage. I already have a sage. I don't need another sage. Arugula, rosemary, like lemon balm, mint, of course, lemon balm. I love to have lemon balm around the house. Calendula, I only need one of those. forget-me-nots. So we'll do, oh, I have a hyssop. Bergamot there, chamomile, Charvel. I don't know how to use that one. We're going to have to figure that one out. Catnip, dandelion, borage, which grows really, really tall. And I love it. I really love it. Okay. So these are broccoli, oregano. Here's an herb. Catnip we'll do under herbs, I think. No, what did I do under? I just mixed it all up. Oregano. We'll do catnip under herbs, I think. Dandelion. These are all flowers there. That's a herb. Lemon balm. I'll put that under herbs. So here's my lavender. Lemon basil, Italian basil, echinacea. I'm going to put that under here. Zinnias, bergamot, which I love a bergamot tea. I think I'm going to try to make tea also this year because I drink so much of it. You guys know that. Basil and Thai basil. Ooh, a little spicy. So, okay. So let's group these. So let me think here and let's group how we're going to do these containers because let's see. You only want to do like 2 seeds per container. Unless they're like itty bitty, like the lettuce seeds are really small, you want to do maybe 3 or 4. And then once they start growing, you kind of pick off the one that didn't do as well. So, so let's figure out that. But I think I'll keep these contained in one, and then we'll put these in another. These are a lot, so those will probably take 2. This, so we could do that. We could do 1, 2, 3 shelves. I can throw the chives and the onion over here, and that would work for my setup. So let's do this. Okay, let's put that down. So I bought a cup. Let's do let's just start. Let's start with the flowers. Let's just do the flowers first. Okay, so lavender, do like forget me's. Let's, I don't really want to open 2 of them, and I know I have multiple. So I have 2 bergamot. Let's throw that over there. I know I have another borage. There's another forget-me-not. Echinacea. There's 2 echinaceas, so let's just do this quickly. Italian dandelion. Catnip. Did I say where were we going to put catnip? We'll put that there for now. I'll do that one there. Okay. So here's the other borage. Here, there's one. Put that there. Pansy, hyssop, English lavender. So there's another lavender there. We might do all the lavender. There's another lavender. Johnny jump ups, chamomile, echinacea. We have one of those. Let me move my bag of soil over. I have one of those. I haven't. Ooh, got lots of that. Okay, so zinnias. Do I have any of those? Okay, so let's see. Let me put the lavender aside for a second because that might go up with the veggies. So I have all of this. Hi, I'm doing a video.
Like it's recording right now?
It's recording right now. Hi,
like
Samantha.
It's live?
No, it's not live.
Oh, hi.
So I'm going to put, I'm going to fill all of these up with some soil. And then we're going to put the seeds in. But I'm going to fill it like halfway on all of them.
You're doing this without me.
I'm usually at work.
Oh. I quit. Just kidding.
Okay, so let's fill this up. And then I'll show you guys. Here, I'll just do 1 row. So there we go. So it's pretty much like this, like that. It's a little chunk of something. Okay. And then I'm just using, it's called Fox Farm Soil and Fertilizer Company. It's Ocean Forest potting soil. That's all I'm using right now. It's a little hard. So let's do echinacea. So I'm just going to cut the top open. I like that. And then I'm going to try, I need my glasses because I can't see a thing. I'm going to try to get out. So this one, so the echinacea is really small. So what I'm going to do is put 4 of them in a square. So I'm just going to go like that. And then I'm going to go to the next one. So I'm going to do, I think I'll do the rows like this. Okay. So then we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 in there like that. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of cover because these are, there's a nice big spider right there. These are really thin. Not thin, but small. I'm going to break the soil down from those clumpy parts because we want the seeds to grow and we don't want any problems. I think I might have to try a different soil. Okay. Just a little itty bitty bit. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to do the rest and then we'll see, right? Here we go. So I finished filling all of them and now I'm just gonna mist it a little bit like this. So with this covered here, I'll do the second row here. And then I had to move up the light just a tad. It's supposed to be 2 to 3 inches from the seed box here. Just because I moved it up because there wasn't light on all of it. So I'm spraying some water, misting it down, and then I'm going to put the lid right over that, like that, so we can get some good humidity in there. And then I'll check it tomorrow and see how it's going. But there we go. Our first set of indoor seeds for our 2026 spring garden. Thanks, guys. We'll continue to check back, right? Once a week, watch my Instagram, watch my TikTok, see what's going on, and I'll see you next time.